now we get into marketing channels again. We have farm gate marketing channel. Number 2, we have fresh produce marketing channel. Let's start with farm gate marketing channel. The farmer sells the produce near the farm or near the gate of the farm. Again, that is the near point of production. So advantage is that consumers buy at a cheaper price. Again, consumers buy the consumers buy the produce while still fresh, meaning they find the produce while it is still fresh. There's no transportation cost, meaning there's no marketing chain cost. There's decreased competition. So let's categorize this 4 points into 2. Again, 2 for the consumer and 2 for the producer. Again, so the first 2, these are the advantages of the consumer. Consumer buys at a cheaper price. Consumer buy the produce while still fresh. These are the advantages made for the consumer. They can ask you this question specifically, so you can say the advantages again of the farm gate marketing channel. Specifically looking at the consumer again. So you have to be specific. These are the 2 points that you need to tell, right? Or they can say for the producer. The producer will say, okay, there is no marketing chain cost, meaning there is no transportation cost. Number 2, we can say decreased competition. Okay, yeah, that's how it goes. Disadvantages: this inaccessible for customers. Again, because at the farms there is no road infrastructure, maybe there is no roads again, yeah, so so it is inaccessible for the customers. Again, there's limited or fixed quantity demanded, as not much customers know about the product, or less customers know about the place where this product is sold, because at the farms it's hidden. So yeah, so the location is hidden, so you can't know or there is a store somewhere, right? There is a farm gate in that farm. So yeah, fresh produce marketing channel. That's where fresh produce is sold in a large facilities like a hall. They're sold by the farmers, and they sell large quantities of goods. Advantage number 1, large volumes can be sold. Number 2, I didn't write it, sorry. Hey, that means we have 1 sharp. Advantage number 2, intermediaries costs. Again, intermediaries cost.